Hello, my name is Kim Morton, and this is the demo for my combination chorus, flanger, and vibrato plugin called Warp. Now, you'd know it was called Warp if the GUI had loaded, but to be honest, the GUI I had designed was probably just so terrible that RackFX decided not to load it, which I don't blame it for. It's got its own tastes. But yeah, this plugin does still work, and it does various things, like it can be in various modes, like a flange, or vibrato, or a chorus, which does a lot more in its neutral state than the others do. But, whatever. So, anyways, going back to the flanger, we've got a few presets that display what flangers do, like this thing. Oh man, oh that's some flanging. Oh boy. Basically, it's modulating the depth and all that stuff. The things I added to this to make it a little bit more fun was I added a max delay and a min delay, and those kind of control when the flanging starts, so you can move those around and it'll reduce the size of the flanging, even make it a kind of negative. This is kind of my favorite. At this point, it's just a really short delay. Sounds kind of metal. Alright, and then we've also got some presets that show some chorusing stuff. Like, this thing. Oh man, that's crazy. But yeah, that's some chorusing. Let's make something a little bit more standard, or even a little bit less standard. I got this one, which is using the chorusing to make some weird background stuff. Seems to be glitching out a little bit, but that's all good. That's all fine. That one's working better. Let's turn that up a bit so we can hear what's going on there a bit more. Fun stuff. And we can make that a little... As you can see, that controls the rate. This controls the depth. And that's a little bit more of a standard chorus. Feedback doesn't do anything on this one. And we've also got some vibrato. Like, here's a emulator of the spinning Lizzie. Oop, let's turn this back down. Except it's a little bit too deep. Alright. Come on. Alright, so then we've got some other stuff like this. Oh boy. Now what's being used there is I added this second delay after everything, which uses a modified glitch, or a modified delay line, that instead of reading through the buffer normally, it takes a small subsection of the buffer and just reads through that. In this case, that's called glitch buff size, or the glitch buffer size, which is the smaller buffer. And you can change this to various effects. Yeah, it doesn't know what to do anymore. All the way up to about 48,000 samples. Alright. And then we can go through a few other presets and see what else it can do. Like, just ruin everything. And of course, because this is still a delay, you still have a wet level, and a delay, and a feedback. Oh man, it's getting 80s in here. Alright, cool. Well, that's about what I have to display for my plugin. Hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe you enjoyed it.